Welcome to In the Know. I'm Tara Kennedy, and I'm here today with Nobina Preston. We're talking about how to install drapery tracks inside TrackTrim.
Yes.
Nobina, let's start with the explanation of the drapery track.
Yes. So this is the drapery track. I have a sample here. It is from Somfy. So the way you would prepare the drapery track is you would receive it and then drill a hole. I don't know if you can kind of see here. There's like two little lips here. You want to make sure when you drill on this side that you'll be able to see the hole on the other side. So once you've drilled your hole in here, you're going to take these little green pieces you're going to receive with your TrackTrim. These are called fixing brackets, and you get these custom to whatever drapery track you ordered. So we have them for Somfy, Lutron, or Crestron. So you're going to slide them into here and then kind of twist, and it'll be placed over the hole that you've already drilled. And then you're going to secure it again with a little grub screw. So once you've done that, and you would have placed them about every 7 to 8 inches along the track, what these do is it allows for the drapery track to now be flush. It now, yeah, there you go. The track itself is now flush to the face of the TrackTrim, so it looks great from the room side.
Okay, great. Thank you for that. Now let's cover this.
Yes.
Nobina, let's talk about this.
So this little bad boy is called a drapery track protector. So everything we just did is not visible to a customer, but now you're about to install the drapery track to the TrackTrim. So what you're going to want to do is insert this where you're going to drill into the drapery track. So this protects the track itself when you go in to drill. So you're not damaging that. And then you're all set.
Yeah, great insight. Thank you for that. As always, we suggest that you download our instructions that can be found at www.windowmodes.com. That does it for this segment. Thank you so much for joining us. Until next time, thank you for joining In the Know.
Thank you.